Hello guys, welcome back to Blockbuster 2006, and today I'm going to be doing a ride up the line at Crich. So we start off at Town End Terminus. This is where you board the tram at the start of the line. Now we move up to Stevenson Place. This is where you alight the tram at the end of the line. On the left you can see all the depots and the workshops. In the distance you can see Bowes-Lyon Bridge. It was cast in the 1860s. To the right is the reception and the car park, and to the left is Victoria Park tram stop, with a bandstand, a picnic area and children's play park. As you'll see in a minute, on the left they have dug out the side embankment as they are planning to continue the double track on up here. On the right is the abandoned Crich quarry. While we were there was a speed restriction on up this part of the line. The trams usually go quite a bit faster. Sorry for all the wind noise. I apologise for my facts getting wrong, but Bowes-Lyon Bridge was actually cast in 1844. This is Wake Bridge tram stop. It has the lead mining display, the Wake Bridge picnic area and the woodland walk.
Power.
In a minute I will zoom into the driver and show you the controls.
It's about to go into second set. No, it's not. Second set.
As you can see, he is now in full power. This part of the line does have amazing views. If you do come here, The views are amazing. In the distance you can see Glory Mine. This is the end of the line and where you get off the tram to go up to Crich Stand, which is the War Memorial for the Sherwood Park.
A few more than the last time on the last track. It sounds just the same going over these points as Blackpool number 2. If that got that on the phone,
Are you going to do a separate one on the way back?
yeah.
On the way down I will shut up for a little while and let
And
you
I'll see
listen
which
to
one's
the
best
amazing
going
sound
down.
that is the tram.
I've done it, so I've just recorded, like my hand going into the camera, and then I've just done it, so it's going out. Right, cool. I'll send you the footage if you want. Yeah, it'll be Google Drive link though. At least we don't have to wait for that. We're probably saying putting all trams away when we get to it. I bet you those people downstairs get off at thingy, Victoria. It's good for you. Learn that. Right, well we. My hand's shielding the microphone from the wind so you don't get that horrible wind. So you can just hear the tram sound. I'd really like to drive the side view of Crich Tramway Village. That is low.
That is about to crash.
If it does, I've not filled in paperwork for it.
Caught on camera.
How evil Angela actually is.
like a nice guy on camera, but really. Not smooth whilst
It's got motors. The Glasgow ones are got motors. It's just got 4 wheels.
just elbow.
And it just it just jolts.
It glides along this thing. It's like being on
It just jolts.
glides along.
Yeah, it does fair.
This one has like proper suspension.
19 early 1900s are proper. My hair gone wild.
Yeah. To be fair, it always is. They tripped through that.
Have they? Is the bus gone?
Yeah.
Have a look as we go past here. Yeah, the thingy's gone.
Oh. You want to hear the tram?
Trams sound good. What?
There's just yeah.
What you could do is you could film it going up and then reverse the footage. Then people will be walking backwards. Oh. No, it is, it's 4 wheels, it's not. It's not 8 wheels.
You need to find your key.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big queue for 159. They're not all going to get on.